In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set recurring tasks on monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, log into your monday.com homepage. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Automate button. This is usually situated in the top right corner of your board, but you can also access it through your profile settings if you prefer that route. After clicking on the Automate button, you'll be directed to the Automation Center. Here, you'll want to select the option for Custom Automations or simply create a custom automation from scratch. This is where we'll set up the repeating task you need. The next step is defining the trigger for your recurring task. Look for the option that says when this happens. You'll want to select a time-based trigger, such as every time period. This allows you to customize how often the task recurs. You can choose options like every day, week, or month. Specify the exact frequency that works best for your requirements. For example, you might want the task to recur weekly on a specific day or at a certain time. Once you have your trigger set, the next important step is to set the action. Here, you'll choose Duplicate Group if your recurring task includes specific subtasks or detailed columns that need to be carried over. If you only need a single task without extra details, opt for Create Item. Choosing the right action will depend on how complex your recurring task needs to be. Now it's time to choose the location for this recurring task. You'll need to select the board where this task will appear, along with the specific group. A good tip here is to choose the top group option if you want the new recurring task to be immediately visible to you and your team. This way, it won't get buried under other tasks. Next, let's talk about adding notifications, which is an optional but helpful step. Click the ++ icon to include another action. Here, you can select Notify, which allows you to type in a custom message. This ensures you or your team members get a heads up when the task has been recreated. It's helpful to keep everyone informed about ongoing responsibilities. When setting up notifications, remember to click Someone to choose who will receive the message. It can be yourself or any specific team member you wish to notify. This can enhance accountability and ensure that no tasks fall through the cracks. Finally, it's time to finalize your automation. Look for the button that says Create Automation and click on it to activate your new recurring schedule. And just like that, you've successfully set up recurring tasks on monday.com. With these tasks automatically generated, your workflow will be smoother and you'll save yourself time and hassle in the long run. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your projects